Greetings, Onu.
The way you are panting, it shows you ran down to this place. And the urgency in your call. What is the matter?
His Majesty said you should come with me immediately.
Come with you?
Yes.
Is there any problem in the palace?
I can't say Onu. I can't.
Okay. Tell him I'll be there soon.
No, he said you should come with me right away, immediately.
Really? Yes. And you say there's no problem in the palace?
I wouldn't know.
Okay. Let me get ready. I'm coming.
Okay, Onu.
Ogechi ma bewu ichowa tete bennem Ogechi na gwewu ichowa tete bennem Ewere gesi ichowa tete bennem Nemni Ogechi Toma.
Ogechi, why will it be you that will wake the neighbors with your song every morning? Eh? Or are you the only maiden that can sing in this village?
One is up. Besides, they all enjoy my song and wish I should be singing for them.
Not when it's your song that wakes them from early morning sleep. Eh? And you are supposed to have been in the stream by now. That's what young girls of your age do first thing in the morning. I don't want to say that.
This is not my water pot. I'm waiting for my friends.
You're heading to the street.
Your Majesty, your call this morning came with such an urgency that could set even the heart of a leopard pounding. What troubles the heart of my king?
Issues of the mind, Onu. Like you rightly said, the leopard is truly trembling. You were my father's advisor. And now mine. How much do you know about dreams?
As much as the gods can reveal to a mortal mind like mine. But, Your Majesty, your question puts me on the edge.
I had a terrible nightmare that stole sleep from my eyes since midnight. I wish the gods would be gracious enough to illuminate your heart with the meaning.
Can Your Majesty tell me this truth?
A crocodile was pursuing me in my dreams. It was chasing me all over. At the point I thought I'd escaped it, I saw it right in front of me. When I turned around to make another route, there it was again, chasing me all over. When I got weak and was losing all of my strength, a huge python appeared and swallowed me.
Your Majesty, a python?
Yes, Onu.
Swallowed you?
Yes.
Mama. pride of the mother. Omalicham.
Leno, how do I look?
You are the inevitable queen of the land. Go and flaunt your beauty before your betrothed, the king, and let his head jingle in admiration and longing for his bride.
Nemoma, Agowani, Nimjemono.
Oh!
Achalugo wine. Oh, Omalichanem. Dalu.
You're welcome, my love.
My sweet mother, you are my mentor and heroine. Let me go and put a smile on the face of whom I cherish the most.
Go, the daughter of the great Agui. But remember that your domain is above and not below. Go, rejoice. Go and take that which belongs to you.
My sweet mother, I am good.
Agulu day. Agulu day. Here.
Greetings, my lion. What ails the king that the splendor of the sun could not brighten his countenance? Can the royal bride share of her lord's grief?
Adure, my love, the day is too tender for revelry. I have a burden in my heart that must be laid off before I can be eulogized.
Unearth your burden to me, my love, and see if the fragrance of beauty and love will not melt it like a wax. I, Adure, should be your burden sharer, your source of inspiration.
Adure, silence, they say, is noble. And in silence, I find succor at this moment.
Does my presence not matter to you anymore, my king? Greetings, my king.
Welcome. She who is gifted by the gods to soothe ailing souls. Sing and dance for me, so my burden can roll away.
Onye na-achọkwa igwe m okwu, onye na-akpasu igwe m iwe, igwe anyị biko gbara, igwe anyị biko gbara, ndị na-achị nna ya gị, ndị na-achị na-eto gị, ndị na-achị so gaga, ndị na-achị si gị gaba, onye na-akpasu igwe m iwe, onye na-achọkwa igwe m okwu, ezi igwe biko gbara, ezi igwe biko anyị na-ayọ gị, obodo anyị siri gị gaba, obodo anyị siri ga-adịrịrị, oche eze gị ga-adịrị ebi ebi. Igwe anyị, igwe anyị, igwe anyị, igwe anyị, igwe anyị n'i ga-adịrịrị. Igwe anyị n'i ga-adịrịrị. Igwe anyị, chebe anyị, igwe anyị, chebe anyị, igwe anyị, anyị so aga, igwe anyị, anyị bi ekwu, igwe anyị, anyị bi aba, igwe anyị, igwe anyị, igwe anyị, oche eze gị ga-adịrị ebi ebi. Igwe anyị, igwe anyị.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Idika, I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
My king has a visitor. I think I should leave.
You have really rejuvenated my soul. Were it not that Idika is a good friend of mine, I would have asked you to tally a little. But it's okay, you can go. The chief guard will take care of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Idika, my friend, what brings you to my palace at this time? Because I know you are not in the habit of frequenting my
Frequenting the palace doesn't tell well of a hunter who dwells more in the forest to make ends meet, Your Majesty.
So what chases the mouse out of its hole?
Your Majesty, I hunted an uncommon animal and failing to make a delicious delicacy. For the king, my good friend. That is actually what I brought.
That's very thoughtful. You are a friend indeed. So what uncommon animal is this you have hunted that you want me to taste? Because I would like to see it before the palace cook takes care of it.
Your Majesty, I brought iguana, the monitor of business.
What? Iguana! Take it away! Out!
Your Majesty, I said I brought iguana, a monitor lizard. It's just an iguana.
Take it out of the palace! Guards! Make sure he goes out of the palace with that animal. Out!
You will have to explain to me what's your enterprise in this palace. What is your business here, Ogechi?
As you can see, I prefer for the king to make him happy.
That's arrant nonsense. Now you listen to me. I don't want to see you in this palace again. Do you understand?
As long as it is on the instance of the king, I will oblige. I can't deny the request of my kingdom.
Are you daring me, Ogechi? Huh? As the betrothed of the king, I warn you never to set your foot in this palace again. I am no longer comfortable with your closeness to my lord, my lion. Now, if you dare me, you will pay with your life. My king, what is it? I heard you scream.
It was the Bika, my friend the hunter, who brought iguana for me.
Iguana? That is the delicious meal.
Delicious meets my foot. When you came here, you noticed I had a heavy heart, right? You know the reason for that.
And that is because you didn't seem to appreciate or even notice my presence.
I was attacked in my dream by a crocodile. In fact, two horrible creatures. Anything that reminds me of that is an enemy, irrespective of who or what it is.
My king.
What happened to the brilliance on your face as you left this house? I expected you to return with more radiance and not wearing the face that looks like monkeys.
How can my face be bright when that village loafer still comes around to sing and dance for my hero?
But she's able to make your king marry. Mother!
Their closeness is beginning to threaten my bond with the king. I want her out of the way. I want her out of the way.
Hey! Your bond with the king is not man-made. It was incompleted and hatched somewhere beyond the reach of man. And moreover, you are the daughter of great Agui. You don't chicken out from your prey. You have your powers, my daughter. Use it. Use the powers, my daughter.
I will use it, mother.
What would have led His Majesty to this type of reaction? Is there any possibility I offended him before now? The embarrassment was too much. It was just too much. But this is my childhood friend. I've known him for like ages. Something is not right. Something is definitely not right.
Wait. I want to tell you something. Because as it is there, I'm angry.
Why are you angry?
I don't know what that idiot Adaro is feeling like. Can you imagine? Threatening Oge never to be seen at the palace anymore.
Wait. I really do not understand this whole thing. Is Oge trying to say if the king calls that she will not answer because of Adure's command?
My dear, that appears to be the case now.
How possible can that be? Akuna, that girl is biting more than she can chew and swallow in this village.
Amaka, let me tell you something. If I am Oge, me Akuna, if I am Oge, since the king loves what I do, I'll walk my way into his heart. Before she realizes I'll be the queen of this land.
Yeah, Akuna, in Apuala, are you okay? Can you imagine what comes into your mind? It seems you've forgotten the tradition of this land. Obaya?
There is nothing wrong with what I said.
You know, I was thinking you're no mad. But now I know you're mad.
Since she doesn't realize her position, someone that understands will take over.
You want to be the queen? Okay, but stay here. I'm sure Oge must have gotten there and will be waiting for us. I'm leaving. Stay here and become the queen.
I want to be the queen, Oyala.
Wake me. I went and gave heads and roots to my customer. We are supposed to be at the palace. Explain for the king. Why is this true misted?
Palace. No, I don't want to die yet.
Die? How do you mean? And who wants to kill you at the palace?
Adure, the betrothed of the king, threatened to kill me if I as much as set foot on that palace ground anymore. She feels the king has feelings for me.
Adure, daughter of Wachara. Hey! Okay, Chico. Pico. You are my only eye. You know, you are the only one left for me. Pico. Run for your dear life.
Oh, of course, Nne. I know.
I cannot afford to lose you. Pico.
I know. Let me run along. My friends are waiting for me.
Mugaji Osbuko.
That troubles the future queen of Omodo, as she stands here all alone this early morning bleeding.
Ebere, you won't understand. I have suffered in this community. Ha!
Can you tell me what makes the lioness to quiver? Because I went to your house this morning and your mother does not know whereabouts. So talk.
Can you imagine that empty thing they call Ogechi is having something to do with my lion, my king?
Adire, are you sure of what you are saying?
What is the meaning of that question? Huh? How else should I be sure when she's now the delight of his heart? My presence doesn't matter to him anymore. But when she comes around, his mood brightens up.
So, is that why she has been carrying herself around with the pomposity of a peacock? Well, I trust you. I know no one dares to mess with the tigress.
Berry, you know me. I am a tigress. We shall see.
The morning sun is so refreshing and the breeze so inviting. I feel like going on a hunting game, but the yoke of royalty restrains me from all of that. This palace has been boring lately. That reminds me, where is Ogechi the singer? She has not been here for some days now. I hope all is well.
I don't know, Your Majesty, but it might be because you've not sent for her.
Sent for her?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I don't have to send for her. She's always come here every 2 days. That is what she has done ever since she took up this responsibility. I'll see to that.
What a world, how wicked world.
My friend, look who we have here. Ooh. The old stooge of our time that has refused to get married, not knowing all her mates are married. Mama Nuku!
I don't have time for scallywags like you. Please make way, let people fetch water.
The people you call names are better than you are. Old fool.
And look who's talking. You think you're frolicking with the king will ascribe you nobility and honor, Let me tell you, your illicit enterprise at the palace has been exposed. And I am sure you know what awaits you.
Gossip is the only companion of lazy old fools like you and your friends. What is haunting her is the evil shame a wicked mother has been committing. As for affairs, I have my man, which everybody knows, and will soon get married.
I don't have time to bandy words with a village loafer like you. Make way, let me fetch water and leave. You will disgust me.
And if we don't,
what did you say?
She just asked the question. And if we don't make way, what will you do? Gini kigemi.
Watch and see.
May your reign be long, my king.
You look splendid today. Fabulous.
Me?
Yes.
Thank you, my king. I am flattered. May the gods bless this day.
Why would you say that?
Because you noticed me today. You even note how I look. Thank you so much, my lord. My day is blessed indeed.
Don't I used to in the past? You know, anytime I'm in a good mood like today, I notice every single bit of your beauty. You are fabulous. That reminds me, have you seen Ogechi, my singer?
That one. She must be somewhere gallivanting with her numerous male friends.
Ogechi. Gallivant? Since... Anyway, that's not my business. Mine is for her to come to the palace, sing her lovely songs and soothe my soul, and earn her daily bread.
Why will her matter interlude our sweet talk this moment? Why does she always pop up in times like this? I am sick and tired of her constant presence in this palace.
What's the meaning of that? What is wrong with you? Why are you getting worked up?
My king.
Where are you rushing to in this manner? Is everything alright?
Idika, duty calls. You know I am the advisor to the royal lineage. The young king, whose father I served so well, I need to serve him too. So the king calls.
Sorry for taking your time. You see, I had a disturbing experience with the king, and this has kept my heart palpitating. So I wish to seek your advice.
What is it?
My trap caught an iguana, the monitor lizard as it is popularly called. And you know, this is a delicious meat. I felt it befits the king, my childhood friend, because I always take meat to him. To my utmost shock, the king behaved as if I brought poison to him and embarrassed me publicly. And this has been hurting me because I can't make out anything from these incidents.
Oh, Idika, sorry about that. The king had a terrible dream the previous night about crocodiles that almost frightened life out of him. That is why, you see, the trauma of that experience may have made him behave the way he did.
Oh. I should have known. This is my childhood friend. He couldn't have treated me that way without an obvious reason. I would go back to the palace and apologize for inducing fear in him.
Don't worry. Not that it is not necessary, but I will tell him when I get to the palace. Yeah? Don't worry about that. I'm going to see him. I'll see you later.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I send my greetings to the king.
Who knows the house of Ogechi the palace singer?
I do, Your Majesty.
You do?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, good. Now you run down to her place to find out if she's okay. If she's fine, tell her I said she should leave whatever she's doing and run down to the palace immediately.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I hope the Igwe is not angry with me yet.
No. He just came out of his chambers, obviously not angry.
Then, where are you rushing off to?
To fetch Ogechi, the palace singer.
That means the king has something troubling his heart. Run along. I'll see him. Sorry, Your Majesty. I kept you waiting. I was mending the band when the message came.
Oh no, nothing has spoiled yet. You're still early. Do you know the reason I called you?
No, Your Majesty.
My betrothed.
Your betrothed? What about her?
She has become a notch too irritating. I think it's about time I put her in her place. I want to curb her excesses.
Your Majesty, caution. You must exercise self-control. You see, self-control is a veritable ornament of royalty. Although she is your betrothed, she is also your subject. You must pamper her like a child.
The child who has grown strong teeth to bite the mother's nipple. must be ready for unguarded slaps.
True, Your Highness. But you must also know that hot food is eaten with caution. Emotional matters are handled with dexterity. Your Highness, I must let you know that it is not an act of royalty for the king to break his vow.
Oh no. How did you know that's where I was driving at?
Your Majesty, grey hair are a seat of wisdom. The path you now tread have been taken by so many in the past, and we learn from experience. Exercise caution. Yes, Your Majesty, caution.
Your presence is needed at the palace right away. Yes. His Majesty ordered that you come with me immediately.
Okay, you can return to the palace. Let me wait for my mother to come back home. Then I'll come.
See, no subject flag the order of the king. And you know what punishment awaits me if I fail on my duty.
I will not take it lightly if I don't do what you ask me to do.
Whose demand should be your priority? The king's or your mother's? Follow me. Quick. This way.
Adure! Come, my daughter! Come, the daughter of Agui, the pride of the maidens of this land. Come, my daughter!
I'm here, mother. Take it easy, me. Tell me why you called me, because my ears are itching to hear good news, and my blood is boiling.
Yes, that is the spirit. Abonawanya, that's what you are. The time has come. You don't have time to waste. Go and play your game well and rightly, so that you can possess that which rightly belongs to you, my daughter. Go, my daughter. The daughter of the lion of this.
I am going, mother.
Yes, mother. Hey. Agui! Agui!
Slow down. Don't you know how to work with a woman?
We have to hurry before the Majesty gets angry with me.
Is that it? Maybe I should return home since my welfare is not important here.
You can never try it. Never.
Dare me! Dare me and see if I won't go back home.
Please, I'm sorry. I will slow down. After you.
I thought you won't speak.
Would you say what the problem is rather than stand here and sulk like a baby?
What's more embarrassing and childish than your illicit affair with vain reveler that you hide under the cloak of a singer.
I beg your pardon?
Deny it. Deny your immoral flirtation with that renegade of a girl.
Guards! Make sure she doesn't step into this palace again until I say so.
Hold it there. I will go. But my king, remember when you come begging. Anyway,
Abumogechi, o ichowam chotam benemo. Abumadu o ichowam chotam benemo. Ogechi na aguegu, o ichowam chotam benemo. Ogechi magwegu, o ichowam chotam benemo. Ichobam bia benem, o ichowam chotam benemo. Enwere mezinne, o ichowam chotam benemo. Nemu diemono, o ichowam chotam benemo. Enwere mezinne, o ichowam chotam benemo. Nemu urunanya, o ichowam chotam benemo. Abumogechi, o ichowam chotam benemo. Abumadu o ichowam chotam benemo. Ogechi na aguegu, o ichowam chotam benemo.
What's the meaning of this, Adore?
it means your end has come. Didn't I warn you?
Please, I don't have time for your trouble. I don't have anything to do with your man. I'm only carrying out my civic responsibility.
Civic responsibility, my foot. Why am I even negotiating with you?
Hey, stop there! Please, I want to see him. Please allow me.
Let him.
Thank you.
Young man, why do you scream the name of your king in that manner?
Igwe, the worst has happened. The worst has happened in Ubudo Kingdom.
What has happened?
A white beast has devoured Ogechi.
Which Ogechi?
Ogechi the singer.
How? Where?
Her body is by a bushman close to their house.
Guards! Let's go. Move it. Get my gun ready and come with your message.
Yes, your Majesty. Hey!
I want her not to go, but she wouldn't listen. I want you not to go. I want you not to go, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Gods of our land. What kind of wild beast could have done this to her? A lion? A leopard or a tiger?
Igwe, none of the mentioned ones. This obviously looks like a crocodile attack.
Crocodile?
Yes.
On land? There is no water anywhere around here. How could a crocodile have attacked her?
I'm sorry, my king. This looks like a mysterious one. Because I've tried to trace the arms and the footprints everywhere, but it did not lead to anywhere. It is very, very obvious that someone turned into this crocodile. Because when I came here, I saw more than one person's footprint.
A human beast? Ika, what are you talking about?
Where? I want her not to go. I want her not to come to the palace, but she wouldn't listen.
Is that something you're not telling me here? What happened to her?
My king, my liar, the love of my life, I beg of you. I had no hand in what happened in any form.
Adure, what are you talking about? Did anyone accuse you?
I don't know. I had a quarrel with him over her earlier today. Though it will seem as if I am connected to her death, but I know nothing concerning it. I have no hand in it.
No one will think of such. It is a mere coincidence. Adure, stop crying and go to your man who has been hurting. Go to him.
Should I go to him?
Yes, he needs you now.
Thank you, no. Thank you.
You have to stop crying. Osugo, you just have to stop. Why? Why? Okay. Achara, excuse me. Achara, I don't really have killed. What have I done? What have I done, my only child? My only daughter? Hey! Okay, hold yourself together, please. Hey, Osugo Nubiko. Okay. Where did you go? Okay. What am I doing? I want you to go to my maternal home. Go and call Ojuko, my son. And if the fire is burning, and my body is burning with fire. Hey!
Okay, I'll go and call him. Please stop thinking of death, please. You should be thinking of how to live and avenge against death. Please. Because that's the only thing that will make her spirit rest.
She's right. You have to avenge her death.
I promise I'll go and call him, please. Stop crying. Oh?
You have to avenge her.
I'll go and call him, please.
My queen. Omali-chan. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
When I look at you, my heart beats with joy.
Hey, name Mama. Omali-chan name. Ezibote name. What would I have done in this life without you? Look at how you arranged the whole thing and it worked. Even though No was almost scolding him, telling him to pay more attention to me.
I, your mother, holds the key to spiritual doors of every heart in this life.
Mother, I have never been this happy in my entire life.
With Achara, the pillar that holds every house by your side, you cannot fail. This is just the beginning of good tidings for you, my beauty and my queen.
Yes, Mother. Let's not forget. You know who even told him to hasten the process of our marriage so that I can move into the palace?
Oh, may the gods be praised. He is a noble man. May the gods bless
him. My heart is beaming so much excitement.
Your Majesty, don't you think it is dangerous for you to be out here all alone without your guards? Considering what happened today.
Oh no. What danger can be more fearsome than that ravages the heart of a hero? My reasoning has been impaired by what happened today. I mean, I have seen how unsafe my people are because of my inability to protect them.
How dare you say such unfriendly things about yourself?
Didn't you hear Ogechi's mother? She was right. Her daughter died on her way home from the palace. Who was to protect her? Who?
Your Majesty, what happened was beyond human control. Even as a king, no one expects you to solve spiritual problems.
Oh no, is it actually spiritual?
Yes.
Now I can relate it to my dream.
Ojuku, take it easy, please now. Don't you realize I'm a woman? Our strengths are not the same.
Sorry, you know how anxious one can be in this kind of situation. Please.
Whatever. You should know you're with a lady and show how caring you are. Don't drag me more than my strength.
I said I am sorry. Okay, I will move at your pace. But you have to increase your speed. My blood is boiling. Please.
You shouldn't boil now. Please wait until you meet the killer of your sister.
I'm sorry about what happened, my friend Idika. I was actually trying.
Your Majesty, I should be the one saying sorry. I never knew you had such a terrible dream. It was Ono that told me everything.
Yes, now that you know, and you are master in the affairs of the jungle, what do you think we should do to save our people?
Your Majesty, what killed that lady is not a natural crocodile. I'll make a movement to get to the root of this matter. But I will need a man to accompany me for this movement.
Oh, we have so many able-bodied men in this land. Make your pick. Choose anyone. Point at anyone.
Your Majesty, this is not a movement for all kinds of men. When I see the right man, I'll let you know. But meanwhile, we have to be on the watch. Because what killed the being is in the being.
Nothing will happen to him. He's a warrior and a hero. Nothing will happen to him. I cannot love him,
Ojuku, who am I seeing or are my eyes deceiving? Ojuku, the son of Agwowu, the only monkey that leaps from tree to tree without fearing the distance.
Oh, more.
Ojuku,
Idika, the son of Akongo.
yes,
The leopard that dares the hunter in the jungle. So you are still in this community.
where else could I have abandoned my motherland? Where have you been, my kingsman?
My brother, the evil one plotted my death and I escaped to my maternal home. But the gruesome death of my younger sister has brought me back to face, to challenge that beast that has been tormenting this community.
I heard. Blood, they say, is thicker than water. Welcome. You know, the gods have answered my prayer. I was just coming from the palace where we were discussing about this matter. I was to go to Iakwa to get to the root of this matter. And the man is supposed to accompany me. here comes the right man for the monkey.
My brother, I am very happy that there is still a man in this Umudo that first understand that genuine love, genuine peace can only come through war. I was already on my way.
You're on your way to the family. Let's go back. Ojuku, the monkey. Ojuku, the monkey.
My enemies are falling one after the other, and as many that would join league with them.
Yes, so I warned them, but they all felt they were tigresses as well. That wild beast would have just devoured the remaining two.
Which remaining two?
Akuna and Amaka, of course. Did I not tell you how they beat me the other day at the stream because of you? I heard it was a mysterious crocodile that killed her. Do you know anything about that?
Ebere, what kind of silly question is that? What are you implying by asking me such a question?
Sorry, I didn't mean any harm. It's just that rumors are beginning to rear up that she has something to do with her death.
Here she goes. Rumors, rumors, rumors. I hate rumor mongers. I detest them, and that is what you are. So if you know what is good for you, do not tell me anything about rumors anymore.
Ha! Azure, come back now. You haven't gotten to that. Azure!
What a world, a wicked world.
Your Majesty, like I said when I left the palace, that when I see the man that would accompany me for this journey, that I would let you know. As I was going and pondering, the gods brought a warrior my way, a man you know very much, a son of the soil. And to cap it off, he is the elder brother to the deceased.
Welcome back to the land, Ojuku. I wouldn't ask why you came back, Ojuku, because the issue at hand is an enormous one. It's been long you left this land, so I didn't know you have become the speaker. But I want to tell you that whatever it will take to hunt down the murderers of Ogechi, I will bear the cost.
Your Majesty, you don't have to make promises to me to find the killers of my only sister. Even if it will cost me my life, I will get to the root of it.
It is my obligation. She was murdered on account of me. She was killed after she had left my palace. Therefore, I will do what it takes to get to the root of this.
Your Majesty, we will set out to Iyakwa to seek the services of our Bali, the great Divya. I believe he will have answers for our quest.
Good. Whatever you do, just know that you have the backings of the palace and the gods of the land.
It's okay, Your Majesty.
You may go now.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Achara, you have succeeded in killing my daughter. You will not go scot-free. By the gods of this land, I swear, you will not go scot-free, Achara. Who is this renegade that buys into my compound without fear or concern? Look at the beast that feeds on the innocent blood. Standing here talking of court. Hey! Woman, do you have conscience? The blood of the innocent will haunt you to your grave, you fool! Enough of that insult, you brainless woman. I don't know what I did to deserve this your worthless insult. I'll forgive you. I heard what happened to you. That alone is enough to make one mad. It is you and your entire generation of bloodsuckers that are mad. Let me tell you something. Ogechi is not dead. Because her spirit will torment you to your grave. And as for your desperate daughter, she will live all her life. Hey! That's an assurance. One thing taking me to end your life. You won't be lucky. What will you do? Out of my comfort. What could be worse than what you have done? By killing my daughter, Achara.
One thing I assure you, that you will live to reap all that you have sown in the land of Umudo. That's an assurance. Get out of my house. Get out of my compound, you!
What a world, a wicked world, a world full of evil. What a world, a wicked world, a world full of evil. Men are evil, men are wicked, men are killing just because of selfishness. Men are wicked, men are killing, men are killing.
Can't you breathe? Amaka, Biko, please. I am not in the right mood for trouble. And don't think today will be like the other day that your friends combined efforts. Today, I think I just worried you. I am telling you.
Anugom, you beat me. Look at this idiot. You beat me. Okay, try it. Try it! Try and see! Oh, you think you and your friend have succeeded by killing Ogechi, right? Your doom will soon come. You idiot. My friend, get out of my way. Amaka, did you push me? Yes, I just did. Did you touch me? I just did, and what will you do? You touch me?
Tail.
Can you believe it? That Ogechi's mother came here and rained abuses on me.
What? Kedeboziano, where is her corpse?
Do you expect me to do anything here? That would be an act of cowardice. Her time will soon come.
How did she know? Is it the rumor that I heard that flies about in the village? Why are there so much rumors everywhere?
Ignore the rumors, my daughter. The more people talk about you, your spiritual potency increases.
Eh?
Yes, my daughter.
You're getting it. You're trying. Okay, why not try it again? Do it again.
Auma Daisy, Achalugo Ayoma.
I want to do what you're doing.
Auma Daisy, Achalugo Ayoma.
Please go over there and find out which of them has this wonderful voice. Tell her I want to see her immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty. Hey! The king wants to see you.
Me?
Yes. Follow me.
Follow me.
Your Majesty.
You have a wonderful voice.
Thank you so much, my king.
I was captivated by the melody of your songs, so I stopped. This talent, is it inherited or you developed it?
I don't understand, Your Majesty.
I mean, does any of your parents sing?
Oh, sorry that I didn't get it the first time. Well, none of them sings.
I see. If you don't mind, I would like for you to come over to the palace later today and sing for me.
That would be an honor to me, Your Majesty, to sing and even dance for my king.
Oh, you dance as well?
Yes, Your Majesty. Actually, I'm the one that sings for the group. We just finished our dance rehearsal.
This is lovely. In that case, I would like for you to mobilize your friends, your dancers, so you can come over to the palace tomorrow evening to sing for me and dance and entertain me.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
I shall be expecting you.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I take my greatest delight in this world, in music. And that's exactly what you have done for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to put a smile on your face, Your Highness.
It's nothing. So what would you say if I asked you to come to the palace and sing for me regularly?
That would be an honor to me, Your Highness.
Then consider yourself employed.
Your Highness.
Yes?
Your Majesty. Why are you laughing in your sleep? Is it a daydream?
No, I wasn't actually daydreaming. I was reflecting on my wonderful time with Ogechi the singer.
Oh. Yes, I know, that's how it will be. But you shouldn't let her death overbear you to this extent. You are a king and you must be on top of every situation.
Yes or no, I will get over it.
You better do. Your Highness.
His mother's plan. Where are you going to this morning?
My sister must be avenged.
Yes. We all know that. Are you going to fight?
I have a journey to undertake.
Madam, talk to your mother. What kind of journey?
Go to Mugan. The walls have ears. And they will hear everything we're saying. And the trees also, and this very ground, they can bear witness of what we're saying. Just calm down. I'll be back. Take care of yourself.
Guards.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I wish to go into the forest to ease off some tension. And I wish to go alone. No questions or objections. If anyone asks, tell them that's my decision.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take care of the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ah, the pride of it. It is all. We will shine and be. I just died. Men will whisper and they will shake and they will kill. The daughter of Great Mazu cannot be the last. You will be on top. And the maidens all shall bow, drop, and die. Woo! Come, my daughter. Come. The bread of the mother. You have been purified and prepared for the task. When he sees you, his heart will melt in love for you. And his soul will constantly yearn for your love.
Thank you, my sweet mother. Queen of our court. I have always known you mean well for me.
Go! For the king awaits your arrival. Go with pride. Go with dignity. The joy of the heart of a mother. Woo!
What a world, a wicked world, a world full of evil. What a world, a wicked world, a world full of evil. Men are evil.
Your Majesty, where are you going to without your guards? Have you heard of or seen such a thing since you were a child?
I chose to go to the backside of the village and ease off some tension in solitude.
How could you conceive such an idea? Your Majesty, things are not done that way. One or two of your guards should be with you at all times.
Oh no, I might be a child, but I'm old enough to take responsibility for my actions and decisions. I forbade them from coming with me, and that's final on this. Can I pass now?
Your Highness, if that is your wish, who am I to restrain you?
Thank you, my traditional Prime Minister and advisor.
You went out.
Why didn't you tell me when I passed?
You didn't ask, and you did not respond to our greetings.
Ha! What will your greetings add to my life? Huh? Now tell me, where did he go to?
He went to the forest for solitude.
What? Why then are all of you here? Why didn't any of you go with him? Huh? How will you know when he's in trouble or in need of your services? How?
No one can refute the order of the king, not even you.
What? Why didn't you tell me when I passed? Okay, now tell me, where did he go?
He went to the forest for solitude.
That made you shed tears so that he would pay dearly for it.
Do I even understand the stupid thing those layabout guys were saying? That my lord has gone into the forest.
What for? He has crossed the village stream. I can't reach him. But don't worry. When he comes back, I'll fortify you again. Oh?
For your mother. My son, the future king of Umudo. My son, Mwamo, brighten up your face for your mother. Okay, let me do a special song for you. Mwame benakwa, kedi cholo negi genyegi ya. Mwame benakwa, kedi ye na pasugi wemga kusiya. Mwame benakwa. Kedoye na chogoku kamchuba ya nwa mebe na akwa isi anya mmiri nne ga-abịago nwa mebe na akwa kedu chọrọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya nwa mebe na akwa kedu ihe na-ewe gị iwe ka nkwụsị ya nwa mebe na akwa kedu onye na-achụ gị ka nchụba ya nwa mebe na akwa isi isi anya mmiri nne ga-abịa go. Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu ihe chọrọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu onye na-akpasu gị iwe m ga-akwụsị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu onye na-achọgokwu ka nchụba ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, isi anya mmiri nne ga-abịa go. Cannot eat your food. Eat for me. Here is purple. Just take one, okay? It's for your mother. You have to eat. Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu na-achọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu ihe na-akpasu iwe ga-akwụsị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu onye na-achụ gị ka m chụba ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, isi anya mmiri nne ga-abịa go. Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu ihe na-ewe gị ga-akwụsị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu ihe na-ewe gị ga-akwụsị ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, kedu onye na-achọgokwu ka nchọba ya? Nwa m ebe n'akwa, isi anya mmiri nne ga-abịa go. You like this song, my son?
Ojukwu, we have to find a place to rest, eat. We are getting close to Iyakwa. And we need to gather enough strength to ascend the hill before Iyakwa.
On the contrary, I suggest we continue our journey. At least let's rest at once when we must have accomplished our mission.
You see, Ojukwu, my brother, hunters and warriors don't make straight movement. You sit, listen to nature, you hear what others don't.
My brother, it's time not of essence in this situation.
You know, when you swim across the river so easily, it seems there is no level in swimming. Vigor doesn't equate wisdom, my brother.
My brother, I'm happy I'm sharing your wealth of experience. Thank you very much.
You will learn more, my friend. This way.
Chobaya bikwe bezi nakwa hichanya mere gị na nna abịago nwa me bezi nakwa kedu ihe chọrọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya nwa me bezi nakwa kwa m ihe na-enwe gị iwe ka m kwụsị ya ezi nwe bezi nakwa kwa m onye na-achọ gị okwu ka m chọba ya bikwe bezi nakwa hichanya mere gị na nna abịago.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty, King of Umudo Kingdom.
Young lady, where did you learn this song from?
I was born a singer, Your Majesty. Singing is my greatest delight in life.
Oh, are you from this land?
Yes, Your Majesty. Our house is not far from here.
Really? What is your name?
Omalicha, Your Majesty.
Omalicha. Let me not bug you with too many questions. Would you mind doing that song one more time for me?
As many times as you want it, Your Majesty. As long as I breathe.
Kedi chọrọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya nwa m ebezina kwa gwa m ihe na-enweghị iwe ka m kwụsị ya ezi nwa ebezina kwa gwa m onye na-achọ gị okwu ka m chọba ya biko ebezina kwa hichanya mmiri gị na nna abịago.
See, Adure, keeping silent will not help you in this situation. You'll only end up hurting yourself. Tell me what the problem is. I could be of help.
Ebere, can you imagine that ever since that singer girl died, the love of my life, my king is still raving with madness?
How can you say that about your husband?
What did you call him?
Your husband, of course.
Is he? Then if he is, why is he still obsessed with that girl? Why?
He cannot be obsessed with the dead girl, Azure. That is what your mind tells you. So free yourself and go possess your man.
May the gods of our land bless you, Ebere. You know, sometimes you talk sense. I mean, sometimes. My mother must hear this. I'm going to possess my man.
How could none of you have even tried to follow him from a distance? Huh? I'm sure you know your civil and traditional duties to the community, not just to the king alone. You sure know what will happen to you. You sure know what will happen to you if the king does not return safe.
Nothing will happen to a man the gods have crowned. As you can see, I went on a sojourn and I am back with the splendor of the sun. Hale and hearty.
You are welcome,
Thanks to the gods, your master.
Why would you even think anything would happen to me in my kingdom? A young man full of energy and vigor. The gods led me on a sojourn and I am glad they handed me what I looked for. Now I am back with the splendor of the sun.
Your Majesty, I am still marveled at the kind of guts you possess. What will induce you to take this kind of risk and hang our hearts in mid-air?
The gods. Yes. The gods propelled me into this journey and I'm glad they handed me what I sought. Let everyone go back to their duty post. I need to get some rest. Tomorrow, we shall continue.
Kedi chọrọ nne gị ga-enye gị ya.
Didn't you hear that song?
I heard it too. Who could person be with such a wonderful voice? And where could she be?
Wait, could that be the spirit of Ogechi singing? Look here, I'm really scared. Let's just go back, okay?
Look at this one. We fear a lot. Let's take our part before we go.
You don't have to blame her if she's scared. The way Ogechi was murdered by a mysterious beast is enough to induce fear in anyone. And a spirit may come seeking for vengeance. Look here, the both of you. Let's just go back because I'm really, really scared right now, okay?
Let's go. It's true. It's true.
na chiga ni wa ibu dingo ya no na jo mari kon mo buna jo mo. Na jo mo kon mo buna ndo na ndo kon mo buna ru na ru. Aba diki ga bagaria ya bagaria. Na ko ke si baba no buna kwani. Ako ke si buja jo buri ba mamu. Haba ni buki bu na baba diki ga bagaria ya bagaria. Ako ke si baba no buna kwani. Ako ke si buja jo buri ba mamu. Arise, the daughter of great agony. Arise with the splendor of the morning sun. Who radiates with so much beauty and attraction that he cannot resist. You are the pride of all maidens of this land. The pride of the mother. Arise. My bride. Come. Enjoy your Go! With the splendor of the morning. And radiate with so much beauty. Go, my princess. Go, my queen. Haguludade! Haguludade! Na bogu na ya dada do ngasi kula kukujira no buli banu kula kule do abane bukibu
Abale is not reputed for so much words. What my father handed over to me is what I live on. The crocodile is the only animal throughout the universe that sheds tears every minute of its life. The secret of the energy and mysteries of the crocodile is hidden in its tears. And to subdue it, you need the tears of a widow. Even a little drop on any substance. One more thing. No matter how strong or sharp the teeth of a crocodile, it does not cut a tree or crack a stone. For these two are the secret weapons of your victory. Now rise and leave my shrine.
His Royal Majesty. Greetings, no.
No.
Behold the gift from the gods. Who suits my ailing soul? Omalecha, welcome to the palace. I do not need to ask you to sit down, but you know what to do already. Adure, my love.
My king.
Please come and share in the joy of your heart by listening to this melodious song. Sit down and let's have her entertain us. You can go ahead, my dear.
Igwe marama, igwe anyị ji aga, igwe modo, anyị ji gị kwuru. Igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko, igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko, igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko. Omodo niile si n'ibi igwe oyoko. Omodo niile si n'ibi igwe oyoko. Mmiri gụwanye, igwe na-enye anyị ya. Ọsọ chụba anyị, igwe na-aza anyị. Igwe oyoko, igwe oyoko. Igwe oyoko, igwe oyoko. Webe ọbịa aṅụli, na ndị gị so ga-aga. Webe ọbịa aṅụli, ezi igwe anyị. Igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko. Igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko. Igwe oyoko, oho igwe oyoko.
Interesting. Your Majesty. Hey.
No.
Hey. Oh. Eh? Omalicha. You?
Yes, Your Majesty. I came for the sole purpose to save my king and my son from the wickedness of Achara and to liberate this land from our witchcraft.
The king, I said it. Your son. Who are you?
I am Lolo Akwando.
Hey! I said it. There was something about her
that was killed by that witch just because of ambition to be the queen of this land.
Hey! Igwe, I told you. I said it.
She manipulated all the deaths in the palace
just for her to achieve her dream.
Nima. Lolo. Hey! Mama! Can you?
Ojugu, Your Majesty. Where are you both coming from? Your Majesty. We've gone to kill that evil witch. That ruthless, heartless witch Achara. That masquerades as priestess. We've gone to kill her.
That's very good. What happened?
She's no more. She's dead.
Oh, good.
Iyojo neme n'obodo anyị. Ife dịkwa egwu na-emezi. Ụmụ udo nọzikwa n'ụjọ. Obodo anyị nọzi n'ụjọ. Ọ gịnị na-eme? Ọ bụkwanụ gịnị ka anyị mere? hapụ anyị biko nnu ka anyị biri nwaanyị ọjọọ ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị mere onye ọjọọ na-anakwa n'ahụ arụrụ a na-ajọka egbuzi n'anya hapụ anyị ka anyị biri aka anyị dị ọcha ogbu mma na ọ na-ana na mma ọgwụ na-ana n'ọgwụ nwaanyị ọjọọ mkpụrụ ịkụrụ ka ị ga-aghọrọkwa ebe ịma nke gị ime ọjọọ rapụ ndị be anyị ka ha kuru ume nwaanyị ọjọọ rapụ ndị be anyị ka ha zuru ike mkpụrụ ịkụrụ ka ị ga-aghọrọkwa maka ihe ọjọọ adịghị mma mkpụrụ ịkụrụ ka ị ga-aghọrọkwa maka arụrụ nna na ọ dịghị mma ihe ọjọọ na-eme n'obodo anyị ife dịkwa egwu na-emezi ụmụ udo nọzikwa n'ụjọ obodo anyị nọzi n'ụjọ ọ gịnị na-eme ọ bụkwanụ gịnị ka anyị mere hapụ anyị biko nnu ka anyị biri nwaanyị ọjọọ ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị mere onye ọjọọ na-anakwa n'ahụ arụrụ a na-ajọka egbuzi n'anya hapụ anyị ka anyị biri aka anyị dị ọcha ogbu mma na ọ na-ana na mma ọgwụ na-ana n'ọgwụ